Hi, welcome to our channel. Thank you for subscribing, and if you haven't, please subscribe and press the bell icon not to miss any update. In today's video, we are going to talk about the combined consonants. But let's just briefly recall about the last two videos. In the first video, we talked about the sounds of the English alphabets, and in the second video, we talked how to read words focusing on the individual sounds. So in the last video, we mentioned briefly about the combined consonants. So in English language, there are 21 consonants and 5 vowels. So the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So any alphabet except the vowels is the consonant. So what do we mean by combined consonants? If we go with the literal meaning of the word combined consonant mean when we combine 2 or 3 consonants. For example, B and L. If we combine B and L together, it makes the sound bull. If we combine C and L together, it makes the sound gull. It's so sad to say this, but in Indian schools, none of the teachers focused on the combined consonants. And it's a shame for us that they don't even focus on the sounds of the English alphabets. The school system, they only focus on reading, writing, speaking, and then cramming all the spellings from the, I would say from the kindergarten age, from the lower KG, upper KGs, to learn the spellings, learn how to write A, B, and C, and so on. It's a disaster, but let's just ignore it and then continue with our combined consonant lesson. So, let's give you an idea of how to learn the combined consonants in an easy way. Read the word. I know you all can read the words. Even the parents can. I hope they're not so teeny tiny toddlers watching the video. If they are, they can repeat it with me. Please, parents, guide them. So the first is block. When we say bullock, we know we have spelled the sound of B and L as bull. So let's repeat it. Bull, block. Bull, block. Moving on. Clock. Cull, clock. Cull, clock. Next. Flag. Full, flag. Full, flag. Next, glass. Gull, glass. Gull, glass. Next, plane. Bull, plane. Bull, plane. Please keep on watching this video. Even if you think that you know all the sounds, you know how to read well, it will help you with your pronunciations and even to read the most difficult words. Next, sleep. Sull, sleep. Sull, sleep. I'm someone who learned English. I learned English earlier than my own vernacular language, which is Punjabi. So I thought that I know all the sounds. When I was little, I was always interested in English. I never wanted to learn Punjabi. And then later on in my later years, I came to know that I don't know the correct spellings, and this is why maybe the reason that I struggled so much with the pronunciation in the early years, because I wasn't clear about the sounds, which sound does which alphabet produces and what do we mean by combined consonants, or nothing like that. I came to know when I was in my graduation. So let's learn the sounds. Crown. Cur, crown. Cur, crown. Next, bread. We all love bread, I know. So, bread. Bur, bread. Bur, bread. Next, drum. Dur, drum. Dur, drum. Frog. Fur, frog. Fur, frog. Next, green. Gur, green. Gur, green. Next, prize. Per, prize. Per, prize. Tractor. Tur, tractor. Tur, tractor. Scar. So I hope you guys remember that I have mentioned in my last two videos, I always mention that we pronounce CK similarly, in the similar way. It's k, sk, scar, sk, scar, sk, skirt, sk, skirt. So I have again mentioned, I'm going to mention it again. We never say no, we say n. Like n. So this is your tongue. Roll your tongue and touch it with the hard palate. Hard palate is the surface that's right behind your upper teeth. The hard surface that you can feel. So roll your tongue, touch it there, and then say the sound. N. Sun, snow. Sun, snow. Some, smile. Some, smile. We never say sm. We say some, smile. Sp, spoon. Sp, spoon. St, star. St, star. Sw, swim. Sw, swim. Sw, swim. Tw, 12. Tw, 12. Str, straw. Str, straw. Ch, chin. Ch, chin. So as we say ch, so most people think that it's sh, but it's not sh, it's sh, ship, sh, ship, sh, ship. Like we say sh, it's sh, ship. I always teach the early learners in this way so that they always remember. I always say sh, ship. Thumb, thumb. Whale, whale. So whenever we get a combined consonant like W and R, so the W is silent, so we say r, wrist, r, wrist, r, wrist. Next, now we are going to focus on the combined consonants that comes towards the end of a word. For example, and d. So d, pond, d, pond. Next, print, print. Next, duck. So whether it's C, K or C and K, it's all same. It's k. Duck, duck, k. Next, ink, 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 ink. Next, ring, ring, ring. Next, lamp. Always remember, it's not m, it's lamp. Next, so even with K and N, K is silent, so we start with knife, knife. Next, so the combined consonant of P and H, it sounds like F, so it's phone, phone, phone. Next, square, square, square. Next, so the combined consonant TCH, it sounds like ch, watch, 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 ch, watch. Okay, so that was it. It was all about the combined consonants. Stay tuned to our channel. We keep on posting you with the new videos, and recently we started posting the videos about the answers of the IELTS speaking cue cards, as I know it's quarantine and most people are not able to go to the centers for the IELTS classes, and so watch our videos for the speaking. And if you need any help with IELTS or with the learning English, please share your questions in the comment section, and we will try our best to make the videos on those topics as soon as possible. And regarding today's video, please share your valuable comments in the comment section. Thank you so much. I'll see you back with another video someday. Bye.